was made to sing in light, not in tunnels, not in fright. They took my voice to sense the fall, but now